Amazon FBA fees. I get asked a lot of times to discuss Amazon FBA fees. What are they? Is there a way to avoid them? And how can you calculate them? How can you know what the Amazon FBA fees are going to be in advance? Because you actually need to know that to be able to be profitable. You're going to know the cost of your product. You're going to know where you can buy it. But then you have to know the Amazon FBA fees. All right. Well, Amazon FBA fees are kind of spelled out by Amazon, but it's really, really difficult just by looking at this. For example, they have these standard size products. Is it small standard? Is it large standard? Very confusing. And the fees are different. They're going to have them different for apparel items. Then it goes into standard, large standard, oversize. Oversize is much more expensive. So bottom line, how can we really know? Oh, and then dangerous goods. If it's a hazmat, that's going to cost you more. So how can we really know what these fees are going to be? Because as you can see, it's complicated, very complicated. Well, fortunately, Amazon has something called a Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator. So for example, let's say we want to sell some bed sheets. All you have to do is find the ASIN, right, for that specific product, put it in here, click search, and those bed sheets are going to come up. You got to verify that's the exact same product that you're looking to buy and sell on Amazon. And then you can come down here and enter all of the information. Now, this is the FBA revenue calculator. So if you just go to Google and search Amazon FBA revenue calculator, you're going to come to this page. And like I said, we just entered the ASIN. It populated the information about those pillowcases. And these are exact ones we want to sell. Now we can come down here and simply enter the information. Now you have two columns. You have one for your fulfillment and one for Amazon fulfillment. So the Amazon FBA fees are only applicable if you're actually using the Amazon FBA service. If you're doing your own fulfillment, then you're going to be dealing with your own fees, right? Including shipping and your cost of goods, right? Exactly what you're paying to have somebody help you in your business. All of that's going to be over here. We're just worried about Amazon fulfillment right now. Now let's just take a quick look at this product. We can see it's selling for $12.99. All right, so we're going to use that as our selling price. So this very first thing where it says item price, that's what we're charging the customer. And since it's Amazon fulfilled, there's no shipping. See, if it's your fulfillment, you have to add in your shipping over here. Okay, so we come down here, and now the next thing we have to put in is how much it's going to cost us to ship this to Amazon. And this is very important when we're talking about Amazon FBA fees, because most people don't consider the expense of getting it from where that pillowcase is right now to an Amazon FBA warehouse. So what typically is that expense? And this is not going to be a great answer, but the answer is it depends. So what does it depend on? That should be the real question. It depends on your shipping weight. The more weight that you have to send down to FBA, the less your per pound cost is going to be. So people ask me all the time, well, what should I put in here under ship to Amazon? And the question is, it depends. So what's it depend on? It depends on whether you're testing this product out for the first time and you want to see how it's going to do, or if you're replenishing. And when you're replenishing, you should have lots of weight and not just one product. You should be replenishing lots of different products. So when you're first getting started, you're going to have a problem. And the problem is called shipping weight down to Amazon FBA. You're not going to have a lot of it. If you don't have a lot of weight, you're going to have more expense per pound. Now, when you get to the point where you're sending in 200, 250 pounds to FBA, you can use the pallets, use trucks, and your per pound cost is going to be roughly 12 cents per pound. In the beginning, maybe you just have, I don't know, maybe 10 of these pillowcases that you're sending down to test. And look, they weigh less than a pound. So you're talking about 8 pounds going down to FBA. Your per pound cost to send those 8 pounds is, well, actually your cost to send those 8 pounds is probably going to be around $6 or $7. $6 or $7, right? 60, 70 cents per item. So you can put 70 cents here as your per item cost, knowing that you're going to send down 10, it's going to cost $7 roughly. Okay, now these things I just know from experience. We can talk about this particular cost in detail later on. Right now, we're just really worried about the Amazon FBA fees, and shipping it to Amazon really isn't an FBA fee. It's just a cost of getting it to the Amazon FBA warehouse. All right, so average inventory units stored. This is a tricky one also, because the way we do business, we don't really hold a lot of inventory. We get it down, we get it sold, we turn it within 30 days. We don't get a lot of inventory costs. I'm going to leave that at 1. And the cost of our product. For the sake of this example, I'm going to say our product costs $5. You come down here, you hit the calculate button. Now look at what Amazon has done. It's added in all of the fees. So if we drop this down, it says $1.95. That's the referral fee. That is the percentage of the total sale that you pay Amazon for the privilege of selling on Amazon. I like to call it the traffic fee. That's really what it is. Amazon's getting you all this traffic, and that's why they're taking that referral fee. Now, when you come down here, part of the FBA program, here's the FBA fees, $4.90. So everything that Amazon does for you, the customer service, the picking, the packing, the box, the shipping materials, the cost of the label, the cost of getting it to the customer for this product is $4.90. It's going to be different for every single product, as is this selling fee. Because this one, the size of the product, the weight of the product comes into play when calculating Amazon FBA fees. All right, and we know our ship there. So we have our total fulfillment cost. We have our storage, which is insignificant. When we come down here, we see we're going to make a total of 40 cents. Big money, 40 cents on this product, or a margin of 3.08%. So you probably would not sell this product if you had to pay $5 to buy it, because you're making hardly anything. It's just not worth doing. Now let's assume it was. All right, let's say that our cost was only $2 for this product, and we calculate it. Now we can see we're making $3.40, a 26% margin. That's perfectly acceptable in my book, because we have hundreds of products like this, and it just magnifies. So you can come over here now and say that the estimated monthly units sold, and this is something you would have figured out previously, and there's other softwares that can do that, and we'll save that for another training session. But your estimated monthly units sold, let's say, is 100 a month. With FBA, you're going to get about a 20% bump easily. So I don't know if you can see these numbers, but basically you're going to end up netting $408 a month if you use FBA for this product, and it only costs you $2. All right. So I hope this video helped show you how to use this FBA revenue calculator. And just so you know, when you I'll go into my Seller Central account here. This is under the Manage Amazon FBA products. So all of these products we have down at FBA. And you can see it tells you right here the estimated fee for every unit sold. So on this one, I know it's $7.90, includes a $4.90 FBA fee. This one, $11.73, includes a $6.18 FBA fee. This one I'm making $6, or the estimated fee is $6.12, and that's with an FBA fee of $3.48. So the Amazon FBA fee, as you can see, is different for each item, because the different weights and the sizes is what determines how much the Amazon FBA fee is going to be. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, smash that bell, and that way you'll never miss out. You'll get notified of every new training. Take care, guys. Bye.